If you've been working really hard with your nutrition and it's time for you to take a cheat meal,
A moment like this.
I have some recommendations from a lot of cheat meal trial and error and what has worked for me. First off, make it a cheat meal, not a cheat day. A cheat meal is so much easier to confine. It's really hard to eat a ton of calories within that one meal. And a cheat day, you're just gonna learn too many bad habits over that course of the day and you're gonna feel really gross. Next, you wanna also compensate for the food you're gonna be having in your cheat meal by what you're eating throughout the day. So if you know your meal is gonna be really high in carbs and fat, maybe just focus on protein early on in the day and make sure that you feel mostly rounded with your macros. Drink lots of water. Typically, a cheat meal is gonna be really high in sodium. So the more water you have during the day, the less it's gonna affect you and you're gonna have that water retention at the next day. And most importantly, make sure that your cheat meal is worth it. Don't go wasting all that nutritional work that you've been doing on some random pizza that isn't good or some burger at a birthday party. Don't beat yourself up. Make sure that you enjoyed the heck out of it and then get back on your goals.